Good afternoon. Today is Monday, December 11, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, Underlock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Monday, December 11, 2023. Here are the STL Sword 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City, under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 11, 2023, Monday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of Monday, December 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.